Ratatouille could be the most classic of all recipes from sunny southern France. This vegetable dish is usually fried and simmered on the stove, but roasting is an easy way to make ratatouille. It concentrates the flavors, and once you've cut your vegetables, the work is nearly done. Position a rack in the top third of the oven and preheat to 425 degrees. Cut your tomatoes in half lengthwise. Core them and use a finger to push out most of the seeds. Using a vegetable peeler, remove strips of the eggplant skin. Cut it into chunks. Core a large red pepper and cut it into pieces. Peel your onion and chop it into large pieces. Cutting all of your vegetables to about the same size will give you the best results, but this is a rustic dish, so do it how you like. Cut your zucchini into halves or quarters according to their size and chop them up. Coarsely chop 4 garlic cloves. Pour 1/3 of a cup of olive oil over the vegetables and mix them in a large bowl. Season with 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Use your Finamill to grind salt on the mixture. Freshly grind Herbes de Provence on the vegetables. This is best done in a Finapod Max. Mix them up and spread them on a sheet pan with the tomatoes cut side up. Roast, stirring after 20 minutes. Continue until the vegetables are very tender and the edges are beginning to brown, about 45 minutes total. Let cool slightly. Using tongs, discard the tomato skins and coarsely crush the tomatoes on the pan. Mix together, taste, and adjust your seasonings. Ratatouille can be served hot or at room temperature. It's fantastic alongside grilled meats. It's especially good with lamb or a firm white fish like halibut. It can also be served simply with baguette slices as an appetizer, slathered on crusty bread as a sandwich, or tossed with hot-cooked pasta and cheese as a vegetarian main course. Follow us for this upcoming recipe. Bon appétit! Follow us for more delicious recipes featuring herbs and spices.